Hey guys, it's really snowy outside. I am not even kidding. Like, everything is just pure white. My dad, not shovel, but a snow blowed, the side, half of the, I don't know how to call it, I forgot, driveway. This is, only half of it, guys. And, don't forget, it's, this freaking tall. And I don't know. It's so, I don't even know how to describe it. And yet it's still snowing. My parents' car is, shoveled in snow. And the cobble set, the fire department or, whatever, the snow guy hasn't come yet. It's absolutely crazy because it hasn't been snowing in such a long time. Well, it has to snow. It's been, a very long while. It's been a while since we got this much snow. See, this is the end of the cobble set. Look, literally. Oh! It's so deep! Feels. I can't even go past by this because, I don't want to drown in snow. Look, this is not even finished. Pure snow. Oh shoot, I got it on my phone. I'm gonna try walking out. I want to see what happens. This is so dumb. Oh! See how deep this is? It's getting in my shoe! Ah! It's my shoe! It's in my shoe! Why did I think it was a good idea? It's in my shoe! Bruh! It's cold. My garage door is filled with snow. Look, oh my god. I'm never doing that again. See you guys.